Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We need IMU apps installed by Google Play Store. When install complete an mobile phone showing IMU apps icon, but I will create one IMU but double icon on mobile phone display. Which is settings follow and double icon create mobile phone display. Very important settings all IMU user people. The IMU using for communication purpose, setting video and audio recording. But one apps we need two IMU apps on mobile phone display. This video watching and learn which system IMU apps dual icon on mobile phone display. Now first setting icon click and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now click apps or apps icon, click this option and this interface showing mobile phone display. Now dual apps option and dual apps option enable. Upper side showing search option. Click search option and type IMU. Already IMU types and show mobile phone display and click this option. When click this option and service dual app from services option and turn on this option. Already installed dual icon, enable this option and dual icon and check mobile phone display or dual icon show and already dual icon create, one icon create, one icon main base. Do two icon IMU icon create. Now you one IMU account same create double account but one display. Thank you watching my video. Please do not forget subscribe.